Hello everyone, so it is Eczema Blueberry River here, and today I have bought a new horse. Well, my friend sold her to me. She's right over here. I already had her tacked up. I was just letting her rest. My friend sold her to me. I'd like you to meet Courage. I'd like for you guys to meet Courage. This is Courage. She's a Connemara mix. She's really smooth, and she's about 6 years of age. She's really beautiful. She's dappled with a white mane, and she's really pretty. Her show name is Peppermint, and she does cross country and show jumping. She's never missed a jump in her whole entire career of show jumping. She missed some in training, but she's never missed any in jumping. So here I'll just show you what it looks like. So she's very beautiful. She's not completely trained, but she is kind of trained. She will be reaching her peak probably by next year. She's very beautiful, as you can see, just standing still. She doesn't really like to stand still. She likes to walk. So we've done a little bit of jumping practice on her. Right now we're just going to walk her around. I like to have her mane like this and her tail like that because it just doesn't get in the way when we're jumping. And you might be wondering why I'm wearing a belly shirt, short sleeves in winter. Well, it's not really winter anymore. Spring's coming, and it's really warm today in Jorvik. So I decided I would wear it. So I'll just show you some of her gait and a little bit of her jumping. So let me just go ahead and get her down to the arena. So here we are. I'm getting ready to take over a few jumps for practice. She jumps so gracefully. It's really pretty when she jumps. She can jump all the poles from 3s. She can jump 1, 2s, or 3s high at a slower pace, but she kind of has to pick up her pace when she wants to jump 4. And there's no 4 in this arena because it's for lower experienced riders. But a lot of people practice here or just jump here for fun, like me. Anyways, now I'll just go outside and let her cool off and then show you some of her gaits. So, yeah. Okay, so I let her cool off for about 10 minutes and just tacked her back up, and I'm just going to show you guys her gaits. So this is her walk. I really like her walk. This is her trot. Sorry if I sound kind of sniffy because I am sick. This is her canter. Slow canter, I'm pretty sure. Sorry, I'm not a complete expert with the gaits. And then this is her canter. And then as soon as we turn around, I'll show you her gallop. Beautiful gallop, but I don't like to gallop her too long. She doesn't really like it. The canter she's more used to is this one rather than this one. She's hardly never done this canter, but she knows how to do it. And she's really beautiful. I'll tell you a little bit about her backstory. So, my best friend sold her to me, and my best friend, we were best friends since when we were little. And she sold her to me. And so when she was born, she was beautiful. She didn't have no dapples, maybe a few on her quarter area. And her mane was kind of blackish when she was born. But then when she started getting around the age of 3 or 4, she started growing dapples. And then that's basically how she came. She used to live at New Hillcrest Stables, but now she lives here in my stable. She's had a peaceful past, no violence, and she's just a really, in general, really good horse. So I don't have no shows planned for her, but I'm definitely going to be doing shows with her one day. But it's not really showing season yet. So yeah. So that's going to be it for today, guys. I'm saying goodbye to you, and so is Courage. She's really nice, and she loves you, and I will see you next time. Bye, guys. Stay cool.